Hi, this is Group 1 and this is our work for the final project. This application is meant to display recent data and real-time data of the city of Chicago and of a selection of the user. At the beginning, the user displays a small region around the place where he or she is, but it can also select a path by clicking on the map and then click again on the path icon. Or we can select a rectangular region. Let's say that we are interested in inspecting data in the loop. By default, the user can see only the important places of the city, for instance the Willis Tower or the very famous AVL laboratory. But it can add more information by using the panel on the left of the application. The information are grouped in 5 major groups: the security group, the information group, and the mobility, the social, and the point of interest. The user can select the whole group by clicking on the checkbox, or select the layers one by one. The icons on the map are sometimes highlighted with a circle. If the circle is red, that means that something very dangerous has happened. If the circle is orange, that means that the user should be aware, it should pay attention on that icon. For instance, the red circle around this icon means that a battery occurs in this location. The user can decide whether to display data about the last week or the last month for what concerns the security group and information group. But for what concerns the mobility and the social group, the user always displays real-time data. Now we are seeing on the map information about the buses and about the tweets that real-time are updated on the map. The user can display additional information by clicking on a given icon. If he clicks on a tweet, he can actually see the picture of the user and read the tweet. If the user clicks on a bus, it displays all the bus stops on the map and whether additional information about the bus. When a real-time change happens, the user is prompted about that with a notification on the top left of the map. So we are always sure that the user never misses something new that's happening. On the right of the application, the user can inspect some additional information and additional graphs that makes comparisons between the city of Chicago and the selection. The security tab shows some graphs that display the occurrence of the security issues in the city of Chicago. We can notice, for instance, that property crime are very present in the selection compared to the city of Chicago. And those numbers are weighted on the numbers of people that live respectively in the city of Chicago or in the selection. The icon on the right reflects the same icon of the layer group. For instance, this gun means that we are inspecting additional information about the personal salts. If we switch to the dollar, that means that now we are inspecting data about the property crimes. The graph on the bottom displays information on which are the crimes that actually are included in the selected groups. So the property crimes actually are essentially theft, robbery, and vehicle theft. The user might be interested in additional graphs, and the Information tab and the Mobility tab show information about the potholes, lights, and abandoned vehicle, and the Mobility tab show information about the DV bikes and the buses in the city. Lastly, the widget on the top right of the screen shows the current weather and the current temperature in Chicago. And those two buttons on the bottom right of the map can enable or disable the warning and the danger in the map. The point of interest includes restaurants, bars, and important places. For instance, if we select the restaurants in the Chicago loop, we can inspect additional information about them by clicking on them. If you click on, for instance, this restaurant has a warning. If we click on the restaurant, we find out that it didn't pass the food inspection. Maybe this... No, chiudiamolo qua.
Oh, va bene, manca bene questo.
Ma perché continuare a puntarmi là?
Perché mancava tutta quest'area, il D stations.
Ah, è vero, ma secondo te dobbiamo